PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania is a commercial HVAC contractor that offers heating, air conditioning, and ventilation services. Our commercial HVAC contractor specializes in the installation and maintenance of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems of all major brands. Call our commercial HVAC contractor today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What does a commercial HVAC do? Any type of large property that requires heating and cooling is referred to as commercial HVAC, including office buildings, restaurants, rental properties, hospitals, schools, and more. What are the annual maintenance costs for HVAC systems? HVAC maintenance plans typically cost between $85 and $170 per year and are an excellent way to keep your system running smoothly. What is your service area for the Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC contractor have served Bala Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamonix, Overbrook. Where is your Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC contractor office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard number 303, Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/presidential-boulevard-bala-cynwyd-HVAC-service.